Math 5, Quarter 4, Week 1, Milk Base. Let's learn about area of a circle and routine and non-routine problem involving area of a circle. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. Welcome back kids! For today's lesson in Math 5, we will discuss about area of a circle and routine and non-routine problem involving area of a circle. For most essential learning competencies, finds the area of a given circle. Solves routine and non-routine problems involving area of a circle. In this lesson, you will find the area of a circle, solves routine and non-routine problems involving area of a circle. As a learner, you are expected to A. Demonstrate understanding of area of a circle. B. Apply the knowledge of areas in mathematical problems and real-life situations. And C. Describe the attributes of the area of a circle and enjoy their functional use in their daily life. Black line represents the distance around the circle. It is also called circumference. Yellow line represents the distance across the circle. It is called diameter. Note, half of the diameter is called radius. A circle has a radius of 15 meters. What is the distance around it? Let us determine the formula for finding the circumference of a circle. First, get any rounded object like plate, basin, or any circular objects. Second, wrap a string around the object and then measure the length of the string. This represents the circumference. Third, record the measure on your paper. Fourth, measure the distance across the object. This represents the diameter of the circle. And fifth, divide the circumference by the diameter of the object. What do you notice about the quotient of your answer? Is it approximately or near to 3.1416 or 22/7? If yes, try another 2 or more circular objects and do the same process. This number is the same for all circles. It is named by the Greek letter pi, read as pi. Therefore, the formula for the circumference of a circle given the diameter or radius is C equals pi d, where d is the diameter, or C equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius, since diameter is twice the measure of the radius of a circle. Now, let us solve the given problem by applying the formula. In our given example a while ago, the radius of a circle is 15 meters. Now, we have to find the circumference. And here is the solution. The formula is C equals 2 times pi times r, or 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, which is 15. If we multiply 2 times 3.14 times 15, the circumference is 94.20 meters. Therefore, the total distance around the given circle is 94.20 meters. Knowing the formula for circumference of a circle, now is your privilege to learn the formula in finding the area of a circle. Let us read this problem. Gia swam from the center of a circular pool to its edge covering the distance of 6 meters. What is the area of the circular pool? These tips will help you find the area of a circular pool. First, draw a circle. This circle has a radius of 6 meters. Second, illustrate the position of Gia going to the edge of the pool. Third, always remember that pi is very important part of the circle. And fourth, use the formula. The formula is A, which is area, equals pi r square. Since the given distance is radius, use the formula and directly substitute the given numbers. Look at the solution below. If the given distance is a diameter, we will first divide it into 2 to get the measure of the radius, r. So the radius is 6 meters. The formula is area equals pi r square, which is pi is equivalent to 3.14 times the radius, which is 6 meters, and another radius, which is 6 meters. 6 times 6 equals 36. And now, multiply the pi and the diameter, which is 36. 3.14 times 36 square meter equals, area equals 113.4 square meters. Let's solve another problem. Jason is painting a large circle on the wall of his new apartment. The distance across the circle is 8 feet. How many square feet of the circle will be painted? Solution. Whenever you ask to find the number of square feet covered by something, you are finding an area. To find the area of Jason's circle, we first need to figure out if we have been given the radius or the diameter. By definition, the diameter of a circle is the longest distance across the circle. So we know here that the diameter is 8 feet. This means that the radius is 4 feet. Therefore, A equals pi r square. Pi is 3.14 times the radius, which is 4 times 4. Multiply first the radius. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 square feet. And then multiply the pi and the diameter. 3.14 times 16 square feet equals 50.2 square feet. So this is the area of a circle. So Jason's circle will cover about. And now, let us proceed for our first activity, learning task 1. Go around your house, then write down the circular objects that you have found. Complete the table with appropriate unit of measure such as but not limited to centimeter, meter, inches, feet. You can use ruler, meter stick, tape measure, and other devices. Kids, I will give you examples. In first column, we have actual circular objects found at home. In the second column, estimate area. The given radius should be round off to the nearest 10, hundreds, or thousands. For example, radius equals 9.65 centimeter. The estimated radius would be 10 centimeter. And then in third column is the actual area. For example, a plate. Pi equals 3.14. Now the radius is 10 centimeter. Multiply the pi, which is 3.14, times the radius. Double the measure of the radius. 10 times 10. 3.14 times 10 times 10 equals 314 square centimeter. And then the actual area is, the radius is 13 centimeter. 3.14 times 13 times 13 equals 530.66 square centimeter. Another example is a clock. Pi equals 3.14. The radius of the clock is 25 inches. The area is 3.14 times 25 times 25. The answer is 1,962.5 square inches. And then the actual area is radius, 26 inches. Then the area, pi, 3.14 times the radius, 26 times 26 equals 2,122.64 square inches. That is the area. And now, for learning task 2, solve the following problem and write your answer in a sheet of paper. Number 1. The radius of a circle is 9 centimeters. What is the area? The formula, A equals pi r square, or pi 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, 9 centimeter times 9 centimeter. 9 times 9 equals 81 square centimeter. Now multiply 3.14 times 81 equals 254.34 square centimeter. This is the area of a circle. Number 2. The diameter of a circle is 12 inches. What is the area? So the diameter is 12 inches. The radius is 6 inches. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, 6 inches times 6 inches. 6 times 6 equals 36 square inches. Now multiply 3.14 times 36 square inches equals 113.4 square inches. This is the area of a circle. Number 3. The radius of a circular rug is 4 feet. What is the area? So 4 feet is the radius. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, 4 feet times 4 feet. 4 times 4 equals 16 square feet. Now multiply 3.14 times 16 equals 50.24 square feet. This is the area of a circular rug. Number 4. If the diameter of a circular wall clock is 30 centimeter, what is the area of the clock? So for example, this is a clock, 30 centimeter diameter, so the radius is 15 centimeter. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, which is 15 centimeter times 15 centimeter. 15 times 15 equals 225 square centimeter. Now multiply 3.14 times 225 equals 706.5 square centimeter. So this is the area of the clock. And number 5, find the area of a circular pool whose radius is 2 meters. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, which is 2 meters times 2 meters equals 2 times 2 equals 4 square meters. 3.14 times 4 equals 12.56 square meters. So this is the area of a circular pool. And number 6, Father will fence a circular garden whose radius is 3.5 meters. How many meter of fencing material will he use? A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, which is 3.5 meters times 3.5 meters. So 3.5 times 3.5 equals 12.25 square meters. Multiply 3.14 times 12.25 equals 38.46 square meters. This is the area of a circular garden. Now, for learning task 3, solve the following problems. Write your solutions and answer in a sheet of paper. Number 1. A circular pool has a radius of 32 centimeter. Find its area. Area equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, which is 32 centimeter times 32 centimeter equals 32 times 32 equals 1,024 square centimeter. Now multiply 3.14 times 1,024 equals 3,215.36 square centimeter. Number 2. What is the area of the circle if the diameter is 48 meters? 48 meters is the diameter, then the radius is 24 meters. Area equals pi r square, or 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, which is 24 meters times 24 meters. 24 times 24 equals 576 square meters. Then multiply. The answer is 1,808.64 square meters. Number 3. The wheel of the car has a radius of 0.35 meters. What is the area? A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times 0.35 meters times 0.35 meters equals 0.1225 square meters. The answer is 0.38,465 square meters. So this is the area of the wheel of the car. Number 4. Find the area of a circle with a diameter of 35.2 centimeter. The radius is 17.6 centimeter. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times the radius 17.6 centimeter times 17.6 centimeter. 17.6 times 17.6 equals 309.76 square centimeter. Multiply to 3.14 equals 972.64 square centimeter. So this is the area of a circle. And number 5, a circle has a circumference of 100 meters. Find its area. The formula for circumference is C equals pi r square, or equals to 100 meters. So 2 times 3.14 times r equals 100 meters. So 2 times 3.14 equals 6.28. Now, radius equals 100 over 6.28, or 100 divided by 6.28 equals 15.92 centimeter. The radius is 15.92 centimeter. Then the area equals pi r square, or 3.14 times 15.92 centimeter square. The answer is... For learning task 4, solve the following problems. Write your solutions and answer in a sheet of paper. Number 1. A circular fountain with a 5-meter radius lies along the center of a circular park with a 70-meter radius. Calculate the total walking area available to pedestrians visiting the park. Circular park. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times 70 meters times 70 meters. 70 times 70 equals 4,900 square meters. Multiply to 3.14. So the area is 15,386 square meters. This is the area of a circular park. Then the circular fountain. A equals pi r square, or 3.14 times 5 meters times 5 meters. 5 times 5 equals 25 square meters. Multiply to 3.14. The area is 78.5 square meters. So this is the area of a circular fountain. Now, subtract 15,386 square meters minus 78.5 square meters equals, the area is 15,307.5 square meters available walking area to pedestrian. Number 2. A circular pond has a radius of 4.5 meters. How much materials will be needed if you plan to put a fence around it? What is the area of the pond? The fence circumference equals 2 pi r, or 2 times the pi, 3.14, times the radius, 4.5 meters. So the circumference of the fence is 28.26 meters. Area of pond. A equals pi r square, or pi 3.14 times twice the measure of the radius, 4.5 meters times 4.5 meters equals 4.5 times 4.5 equals 20.25 square meters. Multiply to 3.14, the area is 78.5 square meters. For number 3, the diameter of a drum is 150 cm. What is the area of the space where the drum stands? Number 4, Rachel is making a circular tablecloth with a radius of 48 dm. How many meters of materials will she need? And number 5, a circular clock with a circumference of 75 cm is attached on a wall. How much area of the wall did it occupy? So for number 3, 4, and 5, you are the one to answer this problem. So kids, are your all answers correct? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!